3 minutes before midnight, my phone rang, and suddenly nothing in my life made sense. My husband, Li Wei, was still at work. He said he cleaned floors at the Grand Royal Hotel. Every night, he came home with tired eyes and dirty hands. My family laughed at him. My mother called him a loser. My father said I married a failure. But tonight, everything changed. The voice on the phone said, "Mrs. Chen, your husband is in the presidential suite. He is waiting for you." Why would a janitor be in the most expensive room? I felt a cold fear in my chest. I rushed to the hotel. The receptionist smiled at me. "Right this way, Mrs. Chen." How did she know my name? I walked into the suite. Li Wei stood there in a perfect black suit. Behind him, 10 people in expensive clothes bowed. "Welcome, Chairman Chen," they said. I could not breathe. Who was my husband? My name is Mai Ling. I married Li Wei 3 years ago. He was a kind man with a gentle smile. But he had no money. He worked as a janitor at the Grand Royal Hotel. My family was very angry. "You married a poor man," my mother said. "He will never give you a good life." I did not care. I loved him. But it was hard. We lived in a small apartment. We had no car. We could not buy nice things. Every day, Li Wei went to work at 6 a.m. He came home at 11 p.m. His hands were rough from cleaning. His clothes smelled of soap. I always asked him, "Are you okay?" He always said, "I am fine, my love." But I saw the sadness in his eyes. My family made fun of him at every dinner. "Li Wei, can you clean our house?" my brother laughed. "Li Wei, do you need money for food?" my father joked. Li Wei never got angry. He just smiled and said, "No, thank you. I am happy." I did not understand. How could he be happy? We had nothing. But tonight, I started to see the truth. The phone call was strange. The receptionist knew my name. And now, in this huge suite, my husband was not a janitor. He was a chairman. I wanted to run away. But I had to know the truth. "Li Wei," I whispered. "Who are you?" Li Wei took my hand. His eyes were soft. "Sit down, Mai Ling," he said. "I will tell you everything." I sat on the expensive sofa. My hands were shaking. "I am not a janitor," he said. "I own this hotel. I own 10 hotels. I am a billionaire." I felt the world spin. "But why?" I asked. "Why did you lie to me for 3 years?" He looked down. I wanted to find true love, he said. My family is very rich. All my life, people only wanted my money. Women smiled at me for my credit card. Friends stayed for my gifts. I was lonely. I wanted someone to love me for who I am, not for my money. Tears filled my eyes. So you pretended to be poor? I said. You let my family insult you. You let me feel sorry for you. Was it a game? No, he said. It was real. I love you, my Ling. I have always loved you. But I was afraid. Afraid that if you knew the truth, you would change. Afraid that you would become like the others. I did not know what to feel. Angry, betrayed, or grateful. My family will be shocked, I said. They called you a loser for 3 years. Li Wei smiled. I know. And now, they will know the truth. But I do not want revenge. I just want you to be happy. I looked at him. My husband, the billionaire. But also the same kind man, who held me every night. Was our love real? Or was it all a lie? The next day, Li Wei invited my family to the hotel. He wanted to tell them the truth. My mother, father, and brother came. They looked confused. Why are we at a hotel? My mother asked. Is Li Wei cleaning rooms? She laughed. Li Wei smiled. No, mother. Please follow me. He led them to the presidential suite. The same suite where I learned the truth. My family looked at the golden decorations. The huge windows. The expensive paintings. This is beautiful, my father said. But why are we here? Li Wei stood in the middle of the room. I want to tell you something, he said. I am not a janitor. I own this hotel. I am a billionaire. My mother's mouth fell open. My father turned white. My brother dropped his phone. What? My mother screamed. You are lying. Li Wei pressed a button on his phone. A man in a suit came in. Mr. Chen, the board is ready for the meeting, he said. Chairman Chen. My mother fell into a chair. All those years, she whispered. I called you a loser. I insulted you. Li Wei walked to her. I forgive you, he said. But I want you to know, my Ling is my wife. She loved me when I had nothing. She is the only one who deserves my money. Not you. Not anyone else. My mother started crying. My father could not look at me. My brother ran out of the room. I felt strange. Part of me was happy. Finally, my family saw the truth. But part of me was sad. Our simple life was gone. Nothing would be the same again. That night, Li Wei and I sat on the balcony of the suite. The city lights sparkled below us. "Do you still love me?" he asked. I looked at him. The same kind eyes. The same gentle smile. "I love the man who held my hand when we had nothing," I said. "I love the man who cleaned floors to be with me. But I am scared. Will you change now that the secret is out?" He took my hand. "I will never change," he said. "Money does not change who I am. It only gives us more choices. But my choice is always you." I leaned my head on his shoulder. The truth was painful, but it was also freeing. My family learned a lesson: do not judge people by their job or their clothes. And I learned that true love is not about money. It is about trust. Li Wei lied to protect our love. And I forgave him. Because in the end, he chose me, not as a billionaire, but as a man who wanted to be loved for who he was. And that is the most valuable thing in the world.